Pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is a problem that affects many plants and animals. Pollution is something that is harmful or poisonous to the plants and animals in the environment. It is often new to the environment. Pollution can occur naturally or be man-made. It can affect the water, the land, or the air. What is natural pollution? Some pollution occurs naturally as a result of events on the earth. Some examples of natural pollution are sandstorms, volcanic eruptions, and wildfires. Sandstorms in the desert blow sand at high speeds over a large area. This pollutes an area by covering plants and filling up water sources. A volcano spews ash and lava into the air. This makes it hard for people to breathe and blocks out the sun. Volcanic eruptions can pollute streams and rivers and kill plants and animals. Wildfires produce smoke and ash, like volcanoes. They pollute the air and make it hard for people to breathe. What is man-made pollution? While pollution can occur naturally, most pollution is man-made or caused by people. There are many ways people pollute the environment. Pollution can come from factories, cars, fireplaces, trash, sewage, growing, food, and more. How does pollution affect the environment? Pollution affects three main areas of the environment: water, land, and air. Water pollution affects plants and animals that live in and near lakes, rivers, and oceans. It also affects people and animals that drink the water. How does pollution get into the water? Poisonous chemicals from farms and factories are often dumped into the water. Rain washes oils and chemicals from streets into sewers that lead to streams and oceans. In some countries, people dump sewage straight into the water. Chemicals not only affect the water, but also the land. Chemicals used in farming get into the soil and cause land pollution. In the past, factories and power plants buried chemicals underground. The containers leaked and pollute the ground. Land pollution affects our ability to grow food and live on the land. Air pollution is the third problem. Cars and factories produce carbon monoxide. This is a gas that can become dangerous when there is a lot in one place. The reduced air quality can cause breathing problems and affects the sunlight that plants need to grow. What can we do about pollution? We have a responsibility to take care of the environment. Clean air, water, and land are important for all life on Earth. In the past 50 years, governments have passed laws that force companies to take care of the environment around them. While our air, water, and land is much cleaner today than it was in the 1970s, we need to keep working to make sure it continues to be clean.